Normal versus advanced. I feel sad. I feel blue. My mistake. My bad. I have no money. I'm broken. I'll pay the bill. It's on me. I understand you. I feel you. I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. I'm very happy. I'm ecstatic. Text me. Hit me up. I like you. I'm into you. He is very clever. He's intelligent. Paalala, reminder. Bigla kang tumayo, tas nagdilim paningin mo. Pwede itong dahil sa biglang pagbaba ng BP or blood pressure, dahil sa biglang pagtayo o pag-upo. Paano iwasan? Tumayo ng dahan-dahan from nakahiga to sitting, then standing.